So today I'll be showing you how to charge your Huawei Watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Now, there are plenty of ways you can charge your watch, but by default, this charger comes in the box and it has a Type A connector, USB-A. All right. So all you need to do first is to get a power source that has USB-A. Connect this end of the charger there. And then this other end, all you have to do is put this little concave area into this wireless charger. As soon as you place it like that, it's gonna attach magnetically and start charging. That's the basics of it. Now, the other end of this cable can be connected to any source of power. It doesn't have to be a wall brick. You can connect this to a smart TV. You can connect this to a laptop, even a power bank. For instance, here's a power bank. So let's just connect and see if it's going to work. There you go. So you can see my power bank is able to charge this watch. So you basically need to connect it to any source of power. Now, in case you don't have a place to charge and you also didn't carry a power bank that accepts full-size USB port, you can get an adapter that has Type A female to Type C male, and you can connect it here, and then now with the Type C connector, connect it to your phone, which you probably have with you all the time, and use that to charge this this watch. Okay, so once you connect it like that, you can now plug it into your phone and it's going to charge your phone. So those are the ways you can charge your watch Fit 4 or Fit 4 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.